Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Basuri and I'm back with another video. So first of all, thank you so much everyone for 500 subscribers. So I really didn't thought that I would get this amount of subscribers in such less time, in just 6 months, because I know YouTube isn't easy at all. It like a lot of things goes behind it. So gaining subscribers on YouTube is not easy, and I didn't even imagine that I would get this much of followers or like subscribers. So I really appreciate. I'm very overwhelmed. Thank you so much. So I put a poll on Instagram asking drop your questions related to me. So I got a bunch of questions. So first question is, would you date someone who can play with words and not with hearts? Oh my god, I am not gonna answer this type of questions, but I guess so. No. Second question is, what are your plans for future? So my plans for future is maybe I'm going to work in a airline as an air hostess, and maybe actor. I really like also vlogging everything and stuff. I love doing this. I love camera. So the next question is, where do you see yourself after 5 years? So I see myself working, as I said, I see myself working in an airline, and I also want to pursue acting because I just love doing it. I am passionate about it, and my dream job is being an air hostess. So I really want to pursue both after some time, and it's my dream, and I really hope I would do it with my YouTube, with everything I'm doing right now. So that's where I see myself in 5 years. Your dream collaboration. So this is a quite interesting question, but right now, like I am right now here at 500 subscribers. So right now my dream collaboration would be the brands that collab with 100k or 200k subscribers, like with people who have 100k and 200k subscribers. So I would say Nykaa, Mamaearth and stuff like that. There are a lot of brands that collaborate, and that would be my dream collaboration right now, for now, because I am not a big YouTuber, I'm a small YouTuber. So question is, how it feels when people love your reels and you got 100k views and 10k likes, and did you ever expect it? So yes, I really was shocked when I saw so much views on my reels, and I did not expect it, firstly, and 100k views is like a big deal, and also 10k likes. I never got it. So on Instagram it's a very big deal, firstly, and making reels and stuff here, I really appreciate. I was overwhelmed when people give such good response on my reels, and I get so much feedback on my message requests and DM requests that you're doing great. I am really overwhelmed. Are you a fan of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma? Yes, I'm a very big fan. I watch Tarak Mehta every day. I can't live without it. I eat my food in front of that. I can't eat without it. The third question, next question is, top 3 favorite songs, English and Hindi both. So I don't have any specific favorite song in Hindi or English. English is a genre that I don't listen to very good romantic songs. Like you can ask any song to me, any song to me, I can like just sing it in front of you. Any song. I know every lyrics of every song, maybe 80s song, 90s song, or like new song, or like any song. I can just sing it. So I'm a big fan of that, and in that I have a genre. I like Bollywood songs, like romantic Bollywood songs. And in English there are no specifics. I have some favorites, but I can't really name them. There are a lot still. The next question is, you live in which city and what motivated you to start a YouTube channel? By the way, I like your content. Thank you so much. I live in Nagpur, and what motivated me was this quarantine. This quarantine did not motivate me, but it really made me do it because I always got motivated by people on YouTube. I always wanted to create my own channel and create my own content, but I never really thought of doing it while the normal life. But in quarantine I really got the motivation, got the guts, and I started my channel. But motivation would be some YouTubers and stuff like that. So the next question is, can you tell what stuff do you use, like camera, laptop, etc. So right now I don't use any laptop for my editing. I use my phone to do my editing, and I don't use a camera. As such, you don't need a camera to like start a YouTube channel. It's very basic. You can use any phone you have, just like a decent camera quality, and then you are just, as such, I don't use any camera. I use my brother's iPhone for filming my videos, but iPhone is not mandatory, guys. If you have a Samsung, if you have MI, if you have any Android phone, you can do it. I've seen a lot of people doing it on their Android and doing, like, killing their videos, like literally with their editing and stuff. So you don't need a camera. I have my phone, and for editing I use my phone right now because I don't think I need a lot of equipment for my YouTube right now. That's why I don't edit on laptop. And you don't need that fancy ring light because it is a huge investment, so you don't need it right now. So the next question is, from where do you get your nails done? Also, don't you find the whole getting your nails done process expensive? First of all, I don't have any nails right now, but I don't get my nails done anywhere. I have always gotten, like, you can buy, I have gotten that fake nail kit that you get from online stores. I got it from Club Factory. Sadly it's banned now, but I got it from there, and it was for like 280 something, and you get 100 nails and a glue with it. So it's like very cheap for like 100 nails, and it was very good quality. I still have a lot of them. So you really don't need to go on fancy salons and get your nails done right now. Next question is, mostly use filter from Snapchat or Instagram? So on Snapchat I use the dog filter the most because I really like it, and the green one, I don't know what the name is. And on Instagram I use Summer Times a lot. It is very vibrant, I don't know, vibrant, but very grainy and nice filter. I really like it. So are you a RCB fan? Yes, I'm a RCB fan. Editing apps or software that you use? So as I told, I don't use any software yet, but I use editing apps on my phone, the normal InShot, VLLO, normal apps that you use. And what have you learned about life in this pandemic? So in this pandemic I learned a lot of patience. I learned doing good editing, like decent editing. I learned how to get like good content out of sitting at home and doing good things. And I learned that not everyone in your life is permanent. You need to work on yourself. Self-love is important. I learned a lot of things, like a lot of things. This video would be very long if I told you. In which college you are? I am in LAD college now. What is your daily makeup routine? So first of all, I don't do makeup every day. I have done today just eyeshadow, highlighter and a lipstick. I think I can go out without makeup. I am very comfortable with of showing my face on camera without makeup, but I feel a little bit of makeup makes you more confident in front of camera. And also makeup is not necessary. It is just a kind of art. You just have a choice. You can do it or you cannot. So favorite series on Netflix? So my favorite series on Netflix would be Money Heist and Sex Education. And the next question is, what you want to opt in the future? I told you I want to do become an air hostess, a cabin crew, and I also want to pursue acting. So see, skincare, no guys, I don't do skincare. Don't ask me these questions. I don't even wash my face properly. So dream college or university? So I don't have a dream college or university. What is your series? So my favorite series is Little Things. It is on YouTube. Season 1 is on YouTube and season 2 and 3 is on Netflix. Guys, definitely watch it if you haven't. It's very, very, very amazing. I guess that's it for the questions. And how do, it's the last question I would say, how do you feel for your 500 subscribers? So I feel very, very, very good for 500 subscribers. I am overwhelmed, and I really am thankful to each one of you who subscribe to my channel, and please support me more. I can bring more content for you guys, and I will do everything that I can. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. It makes me grow on YouTube. And also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you next time. Bye.